If YouTube keeps recommending videos that you're not interested in, then you don't need to keep scrolling past them. You can easily tell YouTube which recommendation you don't want to see, and over time, this can help you to make your homepage more relevant to you. So first, open YouTube app on your device. Now within your home feed, just scroll down and find the video that you don't like. After this, just click on this three dot icon and then you can click on not interested option. Now YouTube may ask you to tell some reason why you don't like this video. You can click on tell us why and select I don't like the video. Once you do this, YouTube stop recommending such videos to you. Apart from this, if you click on three dot icon, you also have an option don't recommend channel. So if you don't want to see videos from that particular creator, you can click on don't recommend channel. Now you can try some tips to make your feed better. So make sure you also avoid watching or searching for content you are not interested in, or you can also remove such videos within your watch history. Just click on the profile icon at bottom right corner of the screen and remove the videos that you don't want to watch within your watch history, watch later, like videos, or within any playlist on your library. Also within your YouTube feed, if you get a video that you love to watch, then just click on three dot icon and you should add it to save to watch later or save to playlist, or you can like that video so that YouTube can recommend such videos to you. And after doing this for a while, YouTube should have better idea of what type of content you actually want to see, and YouTube will automatically recommend videos to you based on your library. So that's it. If you have any other problem, do let us know in the comments. Thanks for watching.